In the digital factory of TotalEnergies, we have about 25 squads, which have tech leads, full stack software developers, data engineers, data scientists, DevOps.
Postman interface is really intuitive to use. This really helps squad team to adopt really fast the platform.
We can see right away the different endpoints that we have, what are the headers of our requests. It's centralized as we support multiple technologies, so it's great to have a single interface which we can access all of the different APIs we interact with.
Postman helps us a lot to make possible the collaboration between teams. Each team has their own workspace where they can really create collection, create API, design API, and do all the tests and documentation.
Since we have adopted Postman, we're able to test very quickly our APIs. We're able to check this API performance, stability, and integrity of the data. We're able also to automate these tests through a CI/CD strategy. In terms of monitoring, we're able to set monitors for the APIs that we develop and also to the ones that we are consuming. We get notified when these APIs are down, and we're able to react very promptly to them. We're able to onboard new people to our teams much faster by giving them a workspace that's already configured and ready for use. So it's much easier to understand the context of our work and what's going to be done next.